In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trailing stop on MetaTrader 5. When trading, it's essential to not only focus on potential profits, but also to protect those profits from sudden market reversals. That's where a trailing stop comes in handy. A trailing stop automatically adjusts your stop loss level in the direction of your trade as it becomes more profitable, helping to lock in those gains. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps of setting up a trailing stop on MetaTrader 5, specifically on the desktop version. Let's get started by opening the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have your platform ready, the first thing you'll need to do is bring up the toolbox. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. The toolbox is a multifunctional window that provides you with access to various trading and account features within MetaTrader 5. Within the toolbox, you should see several tabs. What you're looking for is the Trade tab. Click on this tab to view all of your open positions. Now, locate the specific position that you want to protect with the trailing stop. Right-click on this position to bring up a menu of options. Once you have that menu open, hover over the option that says Trailing Stop. This is where you can set the parameters for your trailing stop. You'll notice that some preset distances are available, such as 15, 20, or 50 points. These presets offer a quick way to set a trailing stop to a standard distance. If these options fit your trading strategy, simply click on the distance you prefer. However, if you require a more customized approach, some versions of MetaTrader 5 might provide an option to set a custom distance. To do this, select the custom option from the menu, and you'll be able to enter a value that suits your specific trading needs. Keep in mind that the choice of distance should align with your risk management strategy and market conditions. Once you've selected your desired trailing stop distance, it becomes active for that particular position. This means that as the market price moves favorably, your stop loss order will adjust incrementally to follow the price, providing a buffer of safety against reversals. And remember, if the market does reverse by the distance you've set, the position will then close at the stop loss level, thereby securing your profits up until that point. It's that simple. Setting a trailing stop helps ensure that your trading strategies offer both growth potential and loss protection. As always, it's important to consider how your settings align with your overall trading goals and market analysis. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips